Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B, and today I'm going to be talking about what 3 things you should do now you've got your brand new TV. Yes, it's exciting, you've got it out the box, it's looking fabulous, it's shiny, you've been wrestling with the polystyrene and you're wondering what to do with a massive enormous box, but you've got your TV, you've got a bargain, you've got maybe a Black Friday bargain. But here are 3 things that you should be doing with your TV. Number 1, the first thing you should do once you've got your TV out of the box and you've wrestled with the box itself and wondered where to put it, is where are you going to put your TV? Now, most people, a lot of people, tend to put it above the fireplace, and that's wrong. Do not put it above the fireplace. Your TV ideally should be level or just a little bit below your eye line. So when you're relaxing, just sit in your favorite chair, sit in the position that you're going to all be sitting in, and then sort of relax, and then just let your sort of gaze drop a tiny bit, and then look as to where the TV is going to be. The worst thing you can do is actually put it above the fireplace. So don't put it above the mantle or anything, or way up high, because you're like that. And the other thing is that the sound is firing down, even Bob agrees, and then you don't get decent sound. I know, Bob. So let's go on to number 2. So number 2, once you've got your TV in the position it should be and you're happy with it, you should calibrate it. Now, calibrations do vary from TV to TV, and there is a link that I provided below that will show you how to calibrate your TV. It's relatively simple. You can go in as balls deep as you want, but it's always best, once you've got your TV, it's all set up where you need it to be, is to turn, because when you turn it on, it's very likely to have every bit of processing on it on, and your TV will probably have that awful soap opera effect. Some people like it, but it's not a natural effect. It's a very high processed effect. And also, if you're playing a lot of games, you want to have all those things turned off. If you like them, leave them on, but it's best to calibrate your TV. So the best way to do that is follow the guide that I provided below. Number 3. Now finally with number 3, if you've got a family of kids or even pets, or even just you're a bit like me, quite sneezy sometimes, you will find that your TV is covered in all sorts of nasty, and that nasty can be quite distracting. You can see sort of marks on your TV. You can kind of wonder, is that an artifact on my TV, or is that a bit of snot? In my case, it's a bit of snot, but in some cases it can be child's fingers, smudges, sweets, candy, you name it. All these things end up on your TV and on your remote. So now I know I've done a video on how pros clean their TVs, and it's got a lot of love and hate. The reason is that I suggest using isopropyl alcohol, a 90% isopropyl alcohol. Now, manufacturers they claim not to use that. Don't use that. The reason they don't want the average Joe from using isopropyl alcohol is because it's flammable, and they don't want to be sued for telling you to use a flammable liquid. So what they suggest is to use water. But water doesn't cut it. Water doesn't remove grease very well. You'll be rubbing away at your TV, so to speak, for ages. Whereas if you use isopropyl alcohol, and you're not stupid, and you don't do it near naked flames, you'll be fine. And no, it's not going to damage your TV. No, it's not going to remove anything nasty, any sort of protective coating. I've had so many people, since I did the original video on how pros clean your TV, tell me that I'm wrong. The internet loves telling me I'm wrong. But trust me, try it as long as you're sensible. Don't smoke whilst you're doing it. Don't dance around a naked fire whilst doing it. Just be sensible. Just spray some on, wipe it off, and you'll be amazed at how clean you can get your TV. And it works well for your mobile phone, any gadget, your remote control, anything. It removes grease perfectly. So those are my 3 things on what you should do once you've got your fresh brand new TV all ready for Christmas. You've just got it off the Black Friday sales, or any other sale for that matter. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. It's just 3 things: position, calibration, and sparkly clean. Further details on how to accomplish all of those in the videos below, in the description below. Enjoy. Have a great Thanksgiving if you're in the US, because I think that's next week. And catch you next time. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and do all that stuff. Thanks again. Catch you again. Take care. Bye-bye.